Today I'm going to be showing you how to make potato frittata. It's a very simple and delicious recipe, and this particular recipe is perfect for breakfast. This is the last dish we have here on our potato series. So if you're new here, you're welcome to my channel. Please kindly subscribe by hitting the subscribe button and also hitting the notification button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, do not forget to hit the like button. Now let me introduce you guys to the ingredients. For this recipe, you'll be needing some diced Irish potatoes, vegetable oil, eggs, spring onions, scotch bonnet peppers, onions, some chopped chicken breast, crushed stock cubes, paprika, Cameroon pepper, and I'm also going to be using this soy sauce to season my chicken breast. So I'm going to start by preparing my chicken breast. I'm just going to add some Cameroon pepper. Please feel free to add any pepper of your choice or any spice of your choice. Now I'm just going to add a little amount of soy sauce. You don't need to add salt or stock cubes to this. The soy sauce is salty enough. So I'm just going to mix this properly. If you want to know the quantity of ingredients I use for this recipe, you can check that in the description box below. And if you have any questions concerning this recipe, please feel free to ask in the comment section below. So I'm going to leave this to marinate for 10 minutes. In a pan, add some vegetable oil. Now add in your chicken breast. We're going to saute this till it's brown. Please make sure your heat is on medium flame so your chicken won't burn. Now the chicken breast is ready and I'm going to take it out. Now in a pan, add some vegetable oil. Leave the oil to heat up a little bit because we're going to use it to fry our potato. Now add in your diced potatoes. I forgot to add that I added a little amount of salt into my potatoes, so please do so. So we're going to leave this to fry halfway because I'm going to add in my onions into these potatoes. Now add in your onions. This will help infuse the onion flavor into the potatoes and it also makes it more delicious. Stir properly to combine. So we're going to fry this till the potato is completely fried. You can fry yours till it's slightly brown or golden brown. Now my potato is ready and I'm going to take it out. Now pour in your eggs into your fried potatoes. Add your crushed stock cubes and paprika. Add in your chicken breast. Add your scotch bonnet pepper and your spring onions. So I'm going to mix this thoroughly to combine. Please feel free to add any ingredient of your choice to this recipe. You can add any spice of your choice, you can add any protein of your choice, and you can choose to add veggies. I'm not really a fan of too much spices in my food, so I like to keep things simple. In a greased non-sticky pan, add in your egg mixture. Please ensure you cook this on low heat or your egg will cook too quickly like mine almost did. I was trying to set my tripod, so I left my pan on the stove for a while. That's why the egg cooked too quickly. So what I just did was to turn down the stove in order for the egg to cook evenly. So I deliberately showed this aspect in case anyone is trying this and comes across this kind of mistake, so you'll be able to rectify it. Also note that it's not going to affect the taste of your dish. In fact, I even enjoyed it more with the under slightly burnt. It added more flavor to my frittata. So I'm just going to cover this to cook. This part requires a lot of patience. Remember, you're cooking on low heat and you want your eggs to be well cooked. But local girl like me cannot be waiting for that long, so I'm going to flip this over to the other side. Now this part is very risky because you can scatter your frittata if you're not careful. But if you're patient enough to leave the frittata to cook well, you don't need to flip. But I'm going to flip mine over so that the upper part will be cooked on time. Now this brown bottom is what I'm looking for. It adds a lot of flavor to your potato frittata. You don't necessarily need to make yours this brown if you cook it on low heat, but I like mine this way. I just like it. So this is how to make potato frittata. So I'm just going to show you a picture of what it looks like. So this is what we have, and that's how to make potato frittata. I hope you like this video. Please don't hit the like button. Thanks for watching.